Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make spicy fried pork 제육볶음. 제육볶음 is as popular as bulgogi in Korea. Like bulgogi and samgyeopsal, we will wrap the cooked meat with lettuce and different kind of vegetables such as garlic, onion, carrots, cucumbers, sesame leaves, napa cabbage and so on. Someday I'll show you how to wrap the meat also. Cut 2.5 cups of pork thinly. To get rid of the bad meat flavor and make the pork tender, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Set it aside for at least 10 minutes. Cut the onion into half-inch pieces. Cut 2 green onions and peppers into 1-inch pieces. Grind 1/4 of a sweet apple in a mixer. In a bowl, combine the pork, onion, and all of the ingredients for the sauce. Mix all together. Cover it with plastic wrap and marinate it at least for 3 hours. Pour the marinated pork in a slightly oiled pan. Fry it until the meat is completely cooked on medium-high. When the meat is cooked, add the green onions and chili peppers. Fry 1 more minute, then turn off the heat. Please visit my webpage for more detailed explanation and ingredients information at ediskitchen.com. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye. 언니, 알린 언니.